Now, let's turn our attention to solving our security problem. Security remains a major challenge in Africa, and in many ways, we are living in a state of lawlessness and disorderliness. Yes, we have schools, institutions, and residential buildings, but our core system has collapsed. Corruption and insecurity have taken over. You cannot leave your valuables unattended in public spaces, even in places of worship, and expect to find them intact. That is how dire this situation has become. Today, we hear of horrifying crimes. A boyfriend taking his girlfriend's life for a money ritual, a husband killing his wife, a pastor harming a church member, or a child murdering a parent, all without accountability. We are living in a lawless state. While insecurity is not present in every part of the continent, a significant portion is affected, and this should deeply concern us. To address our security problem, we must restore law and order. What does this mean? It means bringing sanity back into our society. It means understanding the value of life and respecting our laws. If ants and lower animals can organize themselves and maintain order, how much more should we, as human beings, be able to do the same and even more, restoring? Law and order in our societies will bring peace, stability, and justice. It will foster development and progress, ensuring that we no longer live in constant fear of attacks or theft. A safe and orderly environment will encourage economic growth, investment, and social harmony. This will also help us return to our traditional African values of integrity, decency, selflessness, contentment, hospitality, and brotherhood. We will no longer covet other people's things. We will be genuine and honest. And what will it cost us? What will we lose by embracing these values? Even if the system has collapsed and corruption is widespread, doing the wrong thing will not solve our problem. We need to embrace a new mindset. Thinking that being smart means preying on others to survive is a false belief. Even with bad governance, that does not excuse us from doing what is right. Two wrongs do not make a right. Those who enjoy true success in life are those who do good. Evil does not last. It may seem rewarding for a time, but in the end, it destroys. The insecurity we face is caused by us, humans. No wild animals are threatening us. No natural disasters are endangering us. The only security threats we have in Africa are from us, people. This means that if we want to solve the problem, we must start with ourselves. My hope is that we can change. We can be humane and responsible. Law and order must be restored in every sector of our society. We must value our decisions and honor our agreements. Our laws must be upheld with dignity and respect. No one should be above the law or beneath it. Everyone must commit to making life better for all. And, in case you're wondering how this change will happen, it is already happening, even as you read this. If you can change, the world can change. Africa can change. The change we desire always begins with us. Start with your smallest circle, your family, your friends, your colleagues, your neighbors. How do you interact with them? Are you genuinely honest with them? Do they feel safe around you? Change begins with the smallest actions. It starts with you. I see Africa becoming great again in security, and I see us living better lives than we inherited. Cheers, kindly. Share this post if you find value in it. Thanks for your support. PS. In case you want to, feel free to reach out to me if you need advice on your plans and ideas and how to work on your gift and purpose. Drop me a message here or email me at sopiansofgod@gmail.com and we'll arrange a call. Next, 10 powerful areas of our strength as Africans read previous episodes. Part 1, Part 2, Part 3, Part 4, Part 5, Part 6, Part 7, Part 8, Part 9, Part 10, Part 11, Part 12, Part 13. Will you like to write a book, share your story, ideas, or knowledge in a book? Now it's easier than ever. In 3 weeks, your book will be written and published. Send a message to bookminds@gmail.com.get books on Amazon. Amazon Books, check out our website, WordFlixX Publishers. If you want customized songs for you or your loved one's birthday, wedding, or any ceremony, I Say Music got you. Contact sopiansofgojmail.com. Can also check out these posts. 1. Making 2025 your best year yet. 2. It's the end of the year and things are still not working. Read this. 3. The perfect gift for Christmas. 4. 9 ways to avoid distractions. 5. What to do when you are confused. Kindly drop your comments here.